Hi guys, today we're going to be focusing on negative numbers. If you guys haven't watched the previous video, I highly recommend to watch that first. So we're going to be focusing on multiplying negative/positive numbers. We're going to think of the situation like this. Let's say I have a positive view on pizza, meaning that I like pizza. And so do you. This means that we agree on the same thing, so it's a positive situation and we aren't going to argue about anything. Now we're going to connect this back to math. If we're multiplying by positive numbers, we get a positive number, just like how we both like pizza and we're going to have the same opinion. For example, positive 2 times positive 3 will give you positive 6 because a positive number times a positive number is equal to another positive number. Let's say I have a negative view on pizza, meaning I don't like pizza. And so do you. This means that we agree on the same thing, so it's a positive situation and we aren't going to argue about anything. Now, let's put the situation back into math. If we are multiplying by negative numbers, we get a positive number, just like how we both don't like pizza and we're going to have the same opinion. For example, negative 2 times negative 3 will give you 6, meaning that negative times a negative is equal to a positive number. Now, let's say I have a positive view on pineapple pizza, but you don't. This means that we disagree on our opinions about pineapple pizza, so it's a negative situation and we are going to argue about it. Now, let's put this situation back into math. If we are multiplying by one positive number and one negative number, we get a negative number. Just like how we disagree in our opinion on pineapple pizza and we are going to argue. Arguing is not a positive situation, it's more of a negative situation, right? So for example, negative 2 times positive 3 will give you negative 6, meaning that a negative number times a positive number is going to equal to a negative number. And now you might be wondering if this goes the same for dividing. All the rules we learned today are going to apply the same just for dividing. For example, 6 divided by 2 is going to equal to 3, meaning that a positive number divided by a positive number will give you a positive number. Another example that we kind of focused on today was multiplying negative numbers by negative numbers. Here we're dividing them instead. Negative 6 divided by negative 2 will give you positive 3. Lastly, negative 6 divided by positive 3 will give you negative 2, or 6 divided by negative 3 will also give you negative 2. Whether or not the number that you're dividing by is negative or the number that is getting divided is negative, it doesn't matter. As long as one number is negative, we're just gonna end up with a negative quotient, sorry. Anyways, that was it for our video. Thanks so much for watching.